Hello everyone. Today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. Once again, I'm Teacher Angie. Our lesson for today is about diagonals in a polygon. So, how do we find the number of diagonals of a polygon? The number of diagonals in an n-sided polygon is given by the formula n times n minus 3 divided by 2, wherein n is the number of sides. Example, how many diagonals are there in a nonagon? We need to find first the given. It states here nonagon. So when we say nonagon, it is a 9-sided polygon. Therefore, our n is equal to 9. Remember, n is the number of sides. Next, for our formula, we just need to copy the formula here. So we have now d is equal to n minus 3 divided by 2. Then after that, for our solution, first we need to copy the formula as our guide and then substitute the given. So we have now d is equal to n is 9 times 9 minus 3 divided by 2. First, we need to perform the operation inside the parentheses. So we have now d is equal to 9 times 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 divided by 2. And then, following the PEMDAS, we will do first 9 times 6, which is 54, and then divided by 2. Then 54 divided by 2, we have 27. Therefore, if a polygon is a nonagon, then it has 27 diagonals. Find the number of diagonals of the following polygons. Show your solution. First, we need to count the number of sides of the figure. Number 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7-sided polygon. It is heptagon. Then find the given. So our n is equal to 7. We already counted a while ago. Remember, n is the number of sides. Then formula, d now is equal to n times n minus 3 divided by 2. Then for our solution, of course, we need to copy first the formula as our guide and then substitute the given. So we have now d is equal to, our n is 7. So we have 7 times 7 minus 3 divided by 2. Then perform first the operation inside the parentheses. So we have d is equal to 7 and 7 minus 3 is 4 divided by 2. And 7 times 4 we have 28 divided by 2. And 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. Therefore, if a polygon is a heptagon, then it has 14 diagonals. Next picture, we need first to count the number of sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5-sided polygon and it is pentagon. And of course, our given n is equal to 5. And the formula, d is equal to n times n minus 3 divided by 2. And for our solution, we need first to copy the formula as our guide and then substitute the given. Therefore, we have d is equal to, our n is 5, so we have 5 here, times 5 minus 3 divided by 2. Then perform the operation inside the parentheses. Therefore, we have d is equal to, copy 5, then 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 2. Then 5 times 2, we have 10 divided by 2. And 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, if a polygon is a pentagon, then it has 5 diagonals. Next example. First, we need to count the number of sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6-sided polygon and we call it hexagon. And of course, our given n is equal to 6. For our formula, we have d is equal to n times n minus 3 divided by 2. And for our solution, of course, we need first to copy the formula as our guide and then substitute the given. Therefore, we have d is equal to n is 6 times 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Then perform the operation inside the parentheses. So we have now this equal to 6, and the 6 minus 3 is 3 divided by 2. We will perform or apply PEMDAS. So we will do first 6 times 3, which is 18, and then divided by 2. So 18 divided by 2, we have 9. Therefore, if a polygon is a hexagon, then it has 9 diagonals. Next figure, first we need to count the number of sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a four-sided polygon, and we call it square. So first we need to find the given. N is equal to 4. And for our formula, D is equal to N times N minus 3 divided by 2. And for our solution, first we need to copy the formula as our guide and of course substitute the given. Therefore, we have now D is equal to our N is 4 times N minus 3, which is 4 minus 3 divided by 2. Then perform the operation inside the parentheses. So we have now D is equal to copy 4, and 4 minus 3 we have 1 divided by 2. And 4 times 1 is equal to 4 divided by 2. And 4 divided by 2 we have now 2. Therefore, if a polygon is a square, then it has 2 diagonals. Next example. So first we need to count the number of sides. So 1, 2, and 3. So it is a three-sided polygon, and we call it triangle. Then find the given. Of course, our N is equal to 3. Then for our formula, we have D is equal to N times N minus 3 divided by 2. And solution, first we need to copy the formula as our guide and then substitute the given. So we have now D is equal to our N is 3. So 3 times 3 minus 3 divided by 2. Then perform the operation inside the parentheses. So we have now D is equal to copy 3, and then 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 divided by 2. And 3 times 0 is equal to 0. And 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, if a polygon is a triangle, then it has no diagonals. Next, let's count the number of sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is a 7-sided polygon, and we call it heptagon. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Please do watch, like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe. God bless us all. Bye, and thank you.